How to fix Instagram post stuck on preparing. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix an error where it says preparing while you're about to upload a post. Well, basically this might be just an internet issue, so you might want to switch between your internet connection, or you might want to check if you are connected to a proper stable connection. Well, if the internet is not an issue, then it might just be the server issue for Instagram, right? So in that case, you can head into your browser, and on the browser you can simply search in for Insta server down detector. So you can check Instagram server status as well, and you can head into down detector and you can see if there is any indications if the server is down. Now if the server is down, you might want to wait and try again later. But if this isn't the issue as well, then you want to make sure that you're updated to the latest version of the apps. Now if you're not updated to the latest version, you might face various issues and glitches in the application itself, so you might want to fix the issue. It is one of the basic fixes for any apps. So if all this option is not working at all, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the application. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.